To be continued. After cleaning results. Fuel filter location below back seats. Clean all dust before opening fuel filter. It's important to clean because if you don't clean it, dust may goes down to fuel tank. Look how nice it's looking after cleaning dust. Opening fuel filter. Lock cap using special tool. Done, it's opened now. Here we have complete assembly including fuel filter, including fuel motor, including FPRV. Fuel filter cleaning in process using clean petrol. Look how much dirt is coming. It's too important to change it. If available, otherwise, clean it after every 50,000 kilometers. Fuel pump assembly cleaning in process. MashaAllah, how beautiful it's look like after cleaning. Thanks for watching. For more information check video description.